Hey everyone! Today we're deep diving into the Flavcity protein smoothie. Bobby Paris has built his whole brand and calling out trash ingredients in the grocery store. So his own product has a massive reputation to live up to. Is it actually better than the standard stuff you find at the gym? Let's break it down. First thing to know, the ingredients are incredibly clean. Unlike most brands that use whey protein concentrate, this uses 100% grass-fed whey protein isolate. There are no natural flavors or gums. It's sweetened with stevia and monk fruit. And it uses real food like vanilla bean or cocoa for flavor. If you have a sensitive stomach, this is a great option. Next, why is it called a smoothie instead of a shake? Well, it's because of the added healthy fats and fiber. It contains coconut milk powder and acacia fiber, which gives it a more substantial nutritional profile. Unlike standard protein that leaves you hungry 20 minutes later, this actually functions as a meal replacement because it mimics the macronutrients of a real blended smoothie. Now let's talk texture. Because there are no gums or thickeners than traditional shakes, it doesn't get that fake slimy thickness. It mixes remarkably well in shaker bottle, no clumps, but for the best experience, use a blender to get that frothy cafe-style finish. And lastly, let's talk about the price. So, it is more expensive than your average tub from Costco. You're paying a premium for the Bobby-approved quality and the lack of junk fillers. If you're someone who drinks protein every day, your gut health might justify the extra cost. If you just want cheap calories, this might not be for you. Overall, it's one of the cleanest options on the market that actually tastes like real food. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.